Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a server icon. So you just made a server on Discord and you want to upload a server icon. So once you've made your channel, you might have seen this setup progress. So we're going to click on that and you have invite your friends or upload server icon. So we're going to click on the upload a server icon. And I'm going to click on any of these photos. We're gonna just put it as we like, and then on the bottom right corner we're gonna click on choose, and as you can see on the left, on the top left, you can see that the channel already has an icon. It is the How to Library icon, and that's how you upload a server icon. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.